exercises, pinatakbo ang housemates sa paligid ng pool.
Babae lang yung nag-ano. Kukuman. Left, right, left. Lakasan. Left, right, left.
Kuya, nung paulit-ulit po kaming pinatakbo sa pool, yung naisip ko lang, oh my gosh, I hate running!
Left, right, left.
Mabilis ako mahingal, and I really sweat like a pig.
Left, right, left. Left, right, left. Okay, left, right, left.
Pero inisip ko na lang na maliit na bagay lang to. Kasi kung kaya nila, kaya ko din.
Left, right, left. Good job, right.
Okay, formation kagad. Let's go. Formation kagad. Bakit? Good job, kisses. Formation kagad. Inhale. Exhale.
Nasa pagtingin mo lang yan sa mga bagay, it's just how you see things. Sinisip ko na lang, kuya, na isang step na lang, kahit sobrang nakakapagod talaga, kuya, yung pagtakbo.
Hi mga kapamilya! Be updated with the Pinoy Big Brother housemates by clicking the subscribe button and watch all the latest videos by clicking the I button above.